Hey guys, it's Noelle. If you've been watching my bullet journaling series from the very beginning, you know that all you need to start a bullet journal is a notebook and a pen. But by now, you're probably a bullet journaling pro and you've probably built up an insane amount of bullet journaling supplies. Trust me, I know. Your desk is probably piled up with tons of paper, washi tape, stamps, pens, just more stuff than you can handle. But don't worry, I am here to help you out. In this video, I'm gonna show you some great tips and tricks on how to organize your bullet journaling supplies. But before I do, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. All right, let's get organizing. So first things first, let's start with all your writing utensils. When you first started your bullet journal, all you had was one simple pen. But over time, one pen turned into 4 pens you absolutely needed, and then you added colored pens, and then you added more colored pens, and it just becomes unmanageable, unless you have some organization tools. Here's some tips on how to organize your pens so that you can easily access them and don't lose track of all the amazing pens you have. The first tip is to keep your most used pens in front of you at all times. And the way to do this is to get a super cute pen holder that you will love looking at all the time. Obviously, it's really small, so I can probably fit like 4 or 5 pens in here. So I'm gonna put my go-to pens in this, which are my black Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens and my Le Pen pen. But obviously, your pen collection will grow. You won't just have 4 pens. So as your pen collection grows, you can add a pen holder, like this one from Dormify. This setup will probably work for you for a while, but as your pen collection grows, even this can become unmanageable because you have to dig through your pen holder to find the right marker that you're looking for. So once you outgrow this setup, you can move on to pen organizers. I got these little pen organizers from Amazon. What's great about them is they come in 4 different colors, and the compartments allow you to separate your pens and organize them however you wish. I picked these organizers because it really allowed me to organize all my pens by brand. If I know that I want to use my Staedtler fineliners, I go straight to the top of the green organizer. And if I want to use my Papermate flares, I go straight to the top of the pink one. You could also separate yours a different way. You could separate yours by color or brush size, or you could just stick them all in there because it's just a lot easier to see them when they're all spread out in the different compartments. Throughout my bullet journaling journey, I've collected quite a few stickers. Once your sticker collection starts getting rather large, it can start getting pretty complicated to sift through them all and find the stickers that you really want. So here's a great way to organize your stickers. All you'll need is a mini binder and some folder sleeves. First things first, I've got my Erin Condren stickers, I've got my Create 365 Happy Planner stickers, and I've got my Pipstick subscription service stickers. I love these stickers, but I always get lost in the booklet. I never know which page my favorite stickers are on. So I'm gonna go through and rip out my favorite go-to stickers. These ones are my to-do stickers, so all of them indicate something that you have to do or a task list. These are icons and signifiers. These stickers are pretty banners and frames to make your pages look pretty. And these are cute graphics and pictures that will spice up your pages. Now we have a bunch of different brands of stickers only organized by type, which is most useful to me. So now what I'm gonna do is give each type of sticker its own folder. Now that you've separated all your stickers into categories and put them into their own color-coded folders, all you have to do is put them into your binder for easy viewing. Moving on, it's the same old story with washi tape. You start out with a few rolls, and then all of a sudden you're drowning in washi tape. It's a happy drowning because you love all your washi tape, but you also can't find any of your washi tape, so it's a problem. The trick to keeping your washi tape organized and easily accessible is to get a washi tape dispenser. I got a set of washi tape from MAACHI that came with the dispenser, which made it so much easier to sift through. Here's what it looks like. It's just a box with what looks like almost like an overly long toilet paper roll, but as basic as it is, it's like a lifesaver. So I'm gonna put the washi tape on the dispenser. These 16 washi tapes came in a set from MAACHI with the tape dispenser. If you wanna get a tape dispenser and a ton of awesome washi tape all together, you can definitely look into the MAACHI set. But what's great about this is that there's some room at the top, and I'm gonna add some extra washi tapes that I've picked up in my bullet journaling journey. But if you already have a ton of washi tape, there are tons of standalone tape dispensers that are available at all your favorite office supply stores and on Amazon, so check them out. Next, we move on to all those miscellaneous products that you don't really know where they fit or where they go. Well, a wonderful place to kind of separate those and organize them is a cute little organizer tray. I got this cute 3-box one from Dormify, and as always, it's super important to make sure that your organizational system can grow with your collection. So if you outgrow this little tray, you can definitely graduate to a tray organizer. This organizer has a ton of different compartments that you can fit all of your miscellaneous supplies in. I'm just gonna put my miscellaneous bullet journaling supplies throughout this organizer. The last tip that I have for you is how to organize your old bullet journals. Obviously, as you become a bullet journaling pro, you'll go through tons of bullet journals. You may have started with one, but after a couple of years, you'll have like 10. I know that this is 3, but just pretend it's 10. So a great way to organize your old bullet journals is to give each one of them a label. I've just got this standard Scotch tape in green. I'm just gonna rip off a piece and paste it to the outer binding of each of these journals, and then give them all a label based on the dates that are contained in each journal. So this is January through June 2017. This is June through December, and this is January 2018 through who knows when. I'll fill that in when I finish this journal. That's it. I hope this video helps you get your bullet journaling supplies in order so that you can optimize your BuJo experience. Now definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips, tricks, and hacks. See you next time. Bye.